power source here is for their hot water heater. This is one of those hot water heaters that has a motor in it. So we're just going to use that power source there. It's only 15 amp, our requirement for a refrigeration system. So this thing's only using a couple, maybe a 30th of an amp its demand right now. So this will be very simple to use that power source there. Refrigeration unit's just going to go right there. The drain is going to terminate down here into this SMIDI pan. And as you can see, it has an approved drain source on it, so we can just take and put a T right here on this PVC and terminate our drain right in there, and that will solve our problem with our drain. Gotta find one. Use a pump and pump it wherever you have to. Sometimes if it's outside in a flower bed, you know, when we're putting a pad down, we'll just include the drain tube with the line set and just have it drain right there into the flower bed. That's good. In new constructions, a lot of the time we'll just pump it to an approved source, someplace where there's a drain, a sink or something. Getting a big construction project and run it anywhere. That way you can run it to what's called an approved source, and that's best if you have inspectors and stuff coming out and inspecting it, because they're going to want that. But if you're just going to put it into a flower bed, they usually don't care.